Welcome to Phoenix Money Leak Detector. You're about to use the same financial fragility assessment that's helped 800 plus professionals discover an average of 47,000 rupees in annual money leaks. In the next 15 minutes, you're going to see exactly where your money disappears and you get a clear roadmap to plug every leak. But first, let me show you exactly how to use this tool for maximum results. So the way it works is that you start with uploading your last 3 months bank statements, credit card statements, UPI statements, anything where money is coming in and out. And try and, use Excel formats or CSVs because PDFs won't work because you need clean data and GPTs sometimes don't read in PDFs. So after you've uploaded everything, the GPT will ask you a few questions and try and be as honest as possible because the quality of the report that you'll get will be based on the quality of the input that you provide. If some of the report results are not matching to your liking, you can prompt back and work with it so that you get a clearer and a more strategic report. So I found that most people are very uncomfortable with what they discover. But don't worry. If some of the findings are uncomfortable, that's kind of the point, right? You can't fix what you can't see. So your report will show you some critical areas, specifically 4 areas. First of all, your subscription leaks. And we've noticed that an average professional has 5 to sometimes even 12 recurring charges, some that they're using and some that they are not even using anymore. Second is your EMI optimization opportunities. Which loans, how many EMIs have you stacked up? Which ones to close and which ones to prioritize because of the interest rates? Third is your emergency readiness. And fourth is your investment security check. Whether your current strategy protects or exposes you. Plus, you'll get specific action steps prioritized by impact. So some changes take 5 minutes, but they can save you thousands annually. And after you complete your analysis, you have 3 options. Option 1 is implement everything yourself using the detailed action report that you'll get from the money detector. And that's totally fine because you'll still get excellent results for your investment that you've just made. Second option is that you book a Phoenix Discovery Strategy call with me where I personally walk you through your results and give you custom implementation guidance plus other strategic advice that we can fit in. Third option for professionals who are serious about complete financial transformation, I want to tell you about something special. It's called the Lazy Sunday Wealth System. Now, this is a 9-week program where I take professionals earning 20 lakhs and more from financial fragility to building 50,000 rupees monthly passive income just by managing your money better. And more than that, we build 3 systematic income streams using AI-powered strategies that busy professionals can manage in just 2 hours every Sunday. And I call it Lazy Sunday because once these systems are built, they run automatically. You could literally manage your entire wealth empire on Sunday mornings just in 2 hours. Now, I've had consultants who've built 47,000 monthly passive income portfolios, IT professionals who've created automated investment systems, managers who've developed REIT portfolios, generating them 35,000 monthly passive income. So here's how it flows. In week 1, we fix your money leaks. That's what you're doing right now as well, right? So we clean up the house, bring it in order, and in week 2, we build financial fortress. Week 3, we start your automated investment machines. And in week 4, we leverage your personal and professional knowledge for monopoly positioning. What Naval Ravikant would say, dominant differentiation. In week 5, we build your REIT income stream week on a week-to-week basis. Week 6, we add dividend and bond income. Then in week 7, we choose your investment philosophy, whether you want to go with Ray Dalio, Warren Buffett's, Kiyosaki's philosophy. And then we optimize and automate everything in week 8. Week 9 is when you graduate with a complete system that can get you 50,000 plus in passive income. But here's the thing, I only work with 100 people every year in this program. So, and that's not some artificial scarcity, but because I personally guide every participant through your transformation. So if you complete your the Phoenix Money Leak analysis today, you will realize you want more than just plugging leaks. If you want to build real wealth that replaces your salary over a period of time, then Lazy Sunday might be the perfect fit for you. The complete 9-week transformation is 49,999, but Money Leak Detector participants get exclusive early access and some special bonuses and discounts. So, and that's when the spots open up. So I'll tell you more about Lazy Sunday after you complete your analysis. But for now, let's focus on discovering your financial fragilities. Click Start Analysis, take the link below, go to the Phoenix GPT, and let's see exactly where your money is leaking.